Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex from Mutated Percussion. So today we have a quick video. What we're doing really is just replacing a few bars that went missing on a really old marimba that I did a while back for a school in the area. Without further ado, let's get fixing. As you can see here, there are quite a few accidentals missing. This is a really old marimba from a middle school in the area here. And last year I went about completely restoring it as much as I could. And I will say that the restoration took me quite a while. My boss wasn't very happy with me because he wanted me to focus on other things. So we had a few Mr. Slate-esque moments.
Flintstone!
And they thought when they sent it in that they had all the bars with it, but some were missing. They were going to try and find them, but were not able to. What I ended up having to do was reaching out to another company, a company called Century Mallet based out of Chicago, and they were able to eventually recreate the missing bars. I'll have to say the hardest part about getting those bars remade was figuring out the make and model of the marimba, because there were no identifying factors on it really. I think there was a serial number on it, but again, it wasn't really labeled that clearly because it was so old. Anyway, this is dragging on a bit. Let's speed it up a bit more. So this is a situation I tend to run into more often than I care to, is the very end of the thread of the string having a little bulge in the end, so it doesn't quite fit through the bar. What I generally do is just cut that off and remelt it, and then try and crush it down some so you get more of a finer tip so it fits through the bar easier. And since it's still kind of melty, it will harden in that shape as well. It usually cools pretty quickly. Then once you've got that rethreaded, it's good to pull back the bar just a little bit and then attach your springs. And you want to go down just far enough and then just tie a knot either on the bottom hook if you have springs like these, or one that will stop it if you have other ones that are more funnel shaped. And just lay them back down. Make sure they're in the right spot so that you know that you're getting the right amount of tension. And then just pull. With the accidentals, it's really easy to not give yourself enough slack. So sometimes you have to do it 2 or 3 times just to make sure you've got it in the right spot. This time I got kind of lucky. Yeah, here is the final product. But anyway, I hope you guys got something out of the video. It was a short, quick one this week. Be sure to treat the subscribe button like it is your kick drum and the like button as your crash cymbal, and mash them as if you were rounding out the perfect drum fill. Also, be sure to share the video, help us grow the channel. Let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section. Be sure to also check out the merch store, grab yourself a little something, and I'll see you next time.